Welcome! Today we'll see how KaibanJS automates sports news reporting using the 2024 La Liga match between FC Barcelona and Villarreal FC as an example. Let's explore how it simplifies the process, from data gathering to content creation. Traditionally, covering major events like a La Liga match involves many manual steps. Journalists must gather data, conduct interviews, and write articles, all under tight deadlines. It's a complex process, especially for high-stakes games. Now, let's see how KaibanJS simplifies this. With our scout and writer agents, the process becomes efficient and seamless. The scout agent automatically collects game data in real time, while the writer agent generates an engaging article, complete with player quotes and strategic insights, all within minutes. Let's check it out. Let's see how it works with the 2024 La Liga match between FC Barcelona and Villarreal FC. After the match ends, the scout agent collects all the relevant data, such as the final score, key moments, and player statistics. Next, the writer agent takes over, using this information to generate a detailed report. On the Kanban board, we can see how these agents carry out their tasks step by step. By clicking on each agent, we can observe the real-time iterations they perform to complete their assigned tasks, from data collection to final report generation. This workflow clearly shows the progress and activity status of each agent. Once the process is complete, the report with the requested information is displayed, providing a comprehensive and accurate summary of the match, ready to be utilized. With KaibanJS, sports reporting is faster and more adaptable. Whether it's a major final or a regular match, KaibanJS has you covered. Thanks for watching! Visit our website and join our community for more updates. Until next time.